If you keep chopping garlic over and over again, you have to see this. This way I always have garlic paste ready to cook. I will peel half a kilo of garlic. The most important thing is to remove the germ from the garlic. That way, the paste will not be bitter and will last longer. Clean all the garlic in the same way. I cleaned the garlic and I won't wash it. If you wash garlic, it must be dried well. Best with a towel. Water that remains on the cloves dilutes the paste and shortens its shelf life. I need a blender. I add a teaspoon of salt before blending. The salt draws excess moisture from the garlic, stabilizes the paste, and slows spoilage. I'll blend it. Texture is very important. It must not be liquid or dry. I add 100 milliliters of oil with a neutral taste. I use cold-pressed sunflower oil. I will blend briefly, just to mix the oil. I won't mince too much. The paste should not run off the spoon. I add the juice of half a lemon. Citric acid keeps the paste from spoiling. It can stay longer in the refrigerator. I blend briefly, just to combine the ingredients. The garlic paste should look like this. I need a jar. Press to release air. This way, the garlic paste will last longer. I pour oil to cover the garlic paste. I will close. Store the garlic paste in the refrigerator. Always use a clean spoon when using. If you want to store the paste at room temperature, it must be pasteurized. Use the paste for all dishes in which you add garlic. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you, dear friends. This is no ordinary butter. This is a paste that changes the taste of any dish. I always have it ready as a condiment or as a spread. I will peel 150 grams of garlic. I remove the germ with each clove of garlic so that the paste is not bitter and lasts longer. In the same way, I will clean all the garlic. I cleaned the garlic, and now I need a blender. I add a teaspoon of salt. I add 1 tablespoon of oil. Juice of half a lemon. I add a little pepper. Half a teaspoon of granulated garlic for a more intense aroma. I will grind everything into a fine paste. This is what the garlic paste should look like. I will add 200 grams of butter, softened at room temperature. I add a teaspoon of dried rosemary. I will combine everything by hand. The butter and garlic paste should sit on the knife to be spread finely. I need a jar. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching me. It's nice to know that we can see each other all over the world. Butter paste with garlic can be used as a spread on bread. I spread the paste on the bread. I coat the toasted chicken. I roast meat on it. And I coat the grilled meat while it's hot so that it melts. It is also good for potatoes, vegetables, and pasta. I keep the pasta in the fridge. It can last up to several months. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends. From ordinary onions, the cheapest food in the kitchen, I make an ingredient that changes the taste of every dish. I will cut a kilogram of cleaned onions into slices. This is an ordinary onion, the cheapest food item in the kitchen, and when it is prepared like this, it becomes gold. I cut the onion, and I'm going to pour olive oil into the pan. I'll wait for the oil to heat up. I put the onion on the heated oil and I will stew it for 20 minutes until it softens. Write me in the comments, from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. The onion has softened, and I'm going to put it in the blender. I'll add a teaspoon of salt. Salt keeps the paste from spoiling and stabilizes it. I add some pepper. I add a teaspoon of vinegar, 9%. Not for taste, but to make the paste last longer. I'll blend it. I need a jar to put the paste in. Onion paste is added to beans, meat, sauce, soup. Wherever onions go, this onion paste goes. You can also use onion paste as a spread on bread. Once you do this, you don't go back to chopping onions every day. Keep the onion paste in the refrigerator. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.